Masterwork Group, NK, as a world-class equipment manufacturer in printing and packaging industry, is more than an equipment manufacturer but a total solution provider for smart factory. JOINTELLIGENT is the subsidiary of NK and has been working on smart factory solutions since 2015. With excellent factory planning experience, strong research and development ability, supply total solution of factory automation, digitalization, and intelligent, through factory planning, overall layout and logistics, workshop layout and logistic, production workflow, finished goods logistic, auxiliary device planning, factory digitalization, test run operation. 8 steps to build a modern and smart factory. AGV automatically completes the VIP or FG transportation between factory and warehouse, reduce the labor cost, realize logistics automation in the factory. Smart warehouse will maximize the usage of space, increase the efficiency of management dramatically. Machine data acquisition device collects various data from different equipment such as printing press, die cutting machine, folder gluer, etc. through MES, WMS, TMS, MK Cloud, and other management systems to enhance the management of your factory. Real-time monitoring and real-time feedback to the management. Build a bridge between management team and workshop. Improve the management level of the production site. Many well-known enterprise groups in the industry are working with JOINTELLIGENT. Our goal is to help more and more factories with their factory automation and digitalization, make a real change in their way of working, which is in line with today's fast-paced market.